Good morning, students. As I have discussed with you, heat is a form of energy. And then we have discussed with you transfer of the heat. Heat flows from a hot object to a cold object, or heat flows from an object at higher temperature to another object which is at lower temperature. The flow of heat is known as transfer of the heat. So there are different ways by which heat is transferred: by conduction, by convection, by radiation. So we will discuss about conduction today. The mode of transfer of the heat from a hotter part of a material to its colder part, or from a hot material to a cold material in contact with it without the movement of the material as a whole, is known as conduction. In all the solid, heat is transferred by the process of conduction. You can recall your experiences in the kitchen. When you put a pan on a gas stove, initially the pan was cold, and when you start heating it, it will become hot. Then you have to take the help of a cloth, or if its handle is made up of plastic or a wood, then it's good, you can pick it up. Otherwise, it is difficult to pick it up from the gas stove. So similarly, I am going to perform an experiment. You can see here, this is a spoon on which I have stick a coin and then two safety pins. What I am going to do, I have just blown a candle and I will start heating this spoon on the flame. You will observe what is going to happen after some time. Just observe it carefully. What will happen? As the spoon gets heated up, one part of the spoon gets heated up, the heat is transferred from its one part to the another part. You can see the coin has fallen down. Two safety pins you can easily observe. They are sticked with the spoon. As the heat is transferred from this part of the spoon, yes, the second pin has also fallen down. Initially the coin. So you can simply observe the heat is transferred from the hotter part to the colder part. This is how the heat is transferred. You can see the last pin which is sticked with the spoon. I am also feeling little bit hot in my hand because heat is transferred from one part of the spoon to the another part. And even after some time, it will be difficult for me to hold the spoon. Yes, you can see the last pin has also fallen down. So this is a simple experiment which has shown you conduction process and also the conductor. The material which allows the heat to be conducted through them easily are called as conductor of heat, and those materials which do not allow the heat to pass through them are called as insulator. So example of conductors are gold, iron, silver, copper, and insulators example are wood, plastic, glass are insulator. If I heat this spoon, this will melt down, but the heat will not transfer to the another end as it is an insulator. Similarly, this tin, this will transfer the heat easily from one part to the another part because this is made up of metal.